Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about MSI MEG CoreLiquid A15 Series and MEG Ai1600T PCIe5 and MEG Maestro 900L. So friend, MSI has stunning lineup and innovation at CES 2025. So friend, the new MEG Core Liquid A15 series combine exceptional cooling performance with easy DIY design for seamless installation experience, and the MEG AI 1600T PCI5 and MPG A1250GS PCI5 power supply featuring dual native 12-watt 2x6 connector and triple certification provide unparalleled stability and efficiency. Meanwhile, the flagship concept case MEG Maestro 900L PZ takes inspiration from state display, offering dual system support and modular flexibility, and their revolutionized case design. So, friend, A15 series is a pack with upgrades. The newly designed Full-Plane and Screwless Copper Base deliver exceptional heat distribution, while the CycloBlade 9 fans strike the perfect between performance and noise, and the power supply offering dual GPU setup and greater expandability for user, and they are fully compliant with Intel PhD latest ATX 3.1 and PCI CEM 5.1 standard, and the revolutionary case support dual system configuration ATX and mini ITS, showcasing its exceptional expandability, and it's also recommended up to 16 120 fans and dual 420 radiator, delivering unparalleled flexibility and cooling potential. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.